missed recording it. We lost it somewhere. I think we know when we were recording it. I don't think it went off. Let's hope for the best and just.
No, what
the hell is that?
How am I the only one who finds that funny? It's a shoe.
It's a bonfire.
It's a bonfire.
Oh my god. I got that one.
Yeah. It smells. Danielle, God, can you catch it in?
Oh yeah, sorry. It's my natural gas is laying loose. Sorry about that, everyone.
All the smoke's gone to the bottom now.
I know, it smells
My
awful.
nose is cold.
My nose is getting like panic attacks from this smell.
I could make myself sound like I have a cold. Do I sound like I have a cold at the moment? Cold. Okay, that didn't make any sense, but I still feel like I'm cold.
How'd you do that?
I am a cold. I don't just block my nose.
I don't know how I could do that.
Cool.
No, I could do it really cool.
I can do exactly the same. I don't even feel so tiny like that. I can do exactly the same. I'm gonna wash my nose up. When do I do that though? Also, it's not Spanish. French glasses you.
My eyes keep flickering.
Yeah, you go into these after-school French classes. I don't want to.
You get after-school French classes?
Yes, usually go on like.
I don't think I'm going to take French.
I can't be like going to die from smoke starvation.
Smoke starvation.
What does that say? I love Alexander Amplefoot on your arm.
That is very John and you, dumbass. No, I do not like AJ. AJ is one of my best friends, but I do not like him.
You did like him.
Oh, shut up!
Shut up.
Shut up.
That's not even there, we actually have TV and drama today.
Oh, yeah.
And he was like, watching New Year's Essex. Might have some sound later. And I just going like, Megan. What's that actually? Can we go home now? I've seen fireworks.
Can't see him. Come on, this is like me filming with like 2 or 3 minutes. Oh, this seems to be pretty. Because I try and miss a big lot of fireworks when I was not filming.
Right, you've been filming for like 3 minutes now, so that's enough of fireworks.
Should we say bye?
Bye bye.